Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can download and install the Wicked Whims animations. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and then you need to go to wickedwhimsmod.com. And as you can see here, it's over 18 content. If you don't have 18 years or more, you do not click this link. I have it. So, and if you have it too, you can enter. If it's not allowed for you, right? And then what you need to do here is to go and press on download, right? And then you can select itch.io or wicked.cc. I'll go with the wicked.cc. And then this window will open up. And then you just need to scroll down and press download animations and that particular word on the bottom. As you can see here, there is download, and below download, there is additional animations. So press on additional animations, okay? And here you will see a bunch of different creators. For obvious reasons, I zoomed out to only see this, but this creator is quite good. I looked what the best animations, and this creator was one of the best, right? So you just need to press creator profile, and once you press it, you just need to scroll all the way down. And then you just need to press download file here and wait until you can save it to your desktop. Also, it's just the animations pack. You need a mod for that. That basically animation should work. If you don't have a mod, I will leave the video link in the description below, so you can easily install mod as well, but it's super basically simple, okay? And once the file is downloaded, just extract to desktop, okay? And wait for a couple of seconds. Then you can just delete zip file, then open up File Explorer. You just need to press on it here. Then you need to go to Documents, then look for Electronic Arts. Then here you need to look for Sims 4 mods folder, and then put the mods here. And then you just need to launch the game. Also for mods should appear, that particular mod should appear here. If you don't see it or it's not working, then you just need to press on Escape, go to Game Options, Other, and then make sure Enable Custom Mods Content and Script Mods Allowed should be checkmarked. Apply the changes, restart the game, and then mod should work. And then just play the game. And then guys, animations should work if we press on the girl. As you can see here, more choices, there is Wicked. And also if you want to go more into intimacy, you can go here. Also, you can remove some restrictions by going to Wicked settings and then Wicked Web settings, and then you can just sort out so it can be so much talking as well, right? And as you can see here, I'm in the thing, and as you can see here, there is animations for this particular mod. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like, and if you want to install this mod, click the link in the description below.